Do you know that most people are aware of only 6 or 7 career options, such as engineering, medical, law, finance, design, or management? But what is the truth? Over 200 high-demand career options are available in India. It is very essential to explore these. If you are a student who is confused, or an early-stage working professional who wants to give their career the right direction, and wants to learn those high-demand skills that are currently thriving in the market, then don't wait. Join our one-to-one career guidance course. For a nominal fee, we will give you a personalized roadmap, information on the best skills, and complete clarity on high-growth career options. Register now and book your first guidance session. Right choice, right future. See you inside.